Hello friends, this morning welcome to Ultra Bacha. So we just starting a Vinfast V6 base version where we want to plan mileage test, so how much it is giving. So now I charge the vehicle to 100%. It shows that 468 it can give. So odometer you can see 132. It's a new vehicle, took the delivery very recently. So and moving to 28-degree outside temperature. A trip meter, it's actually 123. So trip meter B is 39, right? Let me reset trip A to 0. Yeah, I think I did. Okay, so let's start. Thank you. Okay, and put on a high which is doing it. Next one is eco. This is a region level high. Okay guys, so we are almost traveled 70 kilometer. You can see that in trip A, and the percentage of vehicle is now is 82, right? We stopped at break just to check that what is how many kilometer and all is give. So as of now looks fine. So our understanding it should reach 380 is overall mileage supposed to be expected. Let us see that. So I will have a next stop and record a video and update you. Good. So now we traveled 140.9 kilometer. Now that is the trip A. Still it says that you can go for a 290 kilometer. That may be the assumption, but 62% is remaining power available. So as of now our calculation is 3.8 kilometer per percentage. That's the expectation. That's the second stop. So we are returning same way back to home. So we will update you what is going on. Okay, guys, actually we have traveled in a trip meter. You can see 200 kilometers, and it is showing a 46% available. That means it took 54% for 200 kilometers, right? Then you can know that how much mileage it gives. So what is the mileage you get?
I think around 370, 380.
380. Yeah. 380 is the actual maximum it can give. Only 380 is the as per of now we will be observation. Let us see how still we'll continue that. Let us see how it goes. We have almost 80 kilometer more to travel to my destination. Let's see how it works. Thanks. Okay, so now we are completing the trip. We have traveled 281.2 kilometers. So remaining is actually having a 24% as of now. So we have only 24% left, which means around 25% left. So in average, if you take 281 and 24%, whatever the remaining battery, so it gives around 350. 300 plus is guaranteed, and 350 it will give. I cannot do 100 to 0 as of now because a new I don't want to do that first. We will see that next time when I do the long trip. I will measure it and let you know that. So as of now it's giving more than 300, but in neck to neck it will give you 350 to 380 is for the expectation. When we coming back, the observation is good. Actually, when you see that when you are starting it, the first 10% drops very quickly from 100 to 90. It drops very quickly. After 90, we could see that per kilometer average calculation is per person, sorry, 1%, it took almost 4 kilometer, more than 4 kilometers per percentage, something like that. But when you say that, again I am coming back to the city, when you come to the city, it is not giving like that. It's giving only 3.5, 3.8 per percentage, which is my observation and calculation. So what I would try to say is, when I see that, when I drive this vehicle in 100, it's 100 is the right speed, I could say that. I could get good percentage per because once in a 4.5 kilometers only it drops 1%. When you drive below 6 or around 60, below 60 or around 60 kilometer, it drops quickly, which means it can give only 3.5 to 3.4, 3.33 kilometers, something like that per percentage. Which means this vehicle is tuned to go for a long trip than local drive. The reason, because this could be the it is actually the 2-ton vehicle, right? So it is actually 2000 kgs, which means every time when you brake it, or if somebody comes in the between, so slow, every time when you push the accelerator, what happens is it has to push the 2-ton weight, so it may be taking more torque to more battery in the city. But when you are in highway, it is not. So just flying. And one more observation quickly here. When you see this, if you raise the vehicle, which means when you accelerate, it goes up to here only. So when you release the accelerator pedal, it goes fully up to here, because when I could see that it is a utilization of the amp, how much it is taking. When you go back here, it is the regenerative. When you green color line, the white color become a green color here, which means it is taking more generation than utilization. I was a Comet user, which was very clearly tell you how much of amp it generates and how much of amp it used for the motor in Comet or something like that. But here there is no log with the technical data. It's only the meters, kind of how much you are generating, how much you are utilizing from the battery, how much it is getting. That means how much it is discharged and how much it is charged. When I say even in a 60 kilometer or 70 kilometer and 100 kilometer, 110 kilometer, you take out the pedal, it goes up to it. This will take very, very much long here. You pedal it, maybe you raise the vehicle, and it's not going beyond off of the right side area, the white color line. I don't know, because it's taking less power when you are raising, or when you leave the accelerator pedal, it is generating more power. I'm not sure about it. It's supposed to be like that, right? So I observe like that only. So that one big observation in a long drive. This passenger airbag off, I think no need to worry. When a person sitting on passenger seat, this automatically saying that passenger airbag is on. So it very clearly saying that if somebody sitting here, it is automatically on, and when nobody sitting there, it is say automatically off. I don't know what is the meaning of it, because they want to save money. If in case of something happen, that airbag won't automatically blow off, right? That could be the reason. And as of now, this is the video only for the mileage understanding. So and drive quality of the vehicle is very, very, very superb when compared to petrol vehicle, which I've done. I used to drive a lot of vehicles. Like I hire a vehicle and self-drive vehicle and everything. I saw that in this segment, in the 16 lakhs segment, Brezza, Creta and everything, I saw that. When you compare that, it's no way. I'm not saying that is better than that, but definitely not less than that. So my feedback is about the vehicle. And shock absorber is amazing when you are in a highway, and silent cabin is very silent. And when you have a city, I could see some noise is coming in, but outside the city no issues at all. Speed, it's very quickly picks up, and overtaking no problem as usual as a EV. So everything is superb. So I don't think this is the giving any issue or not to buy any reason or something like that, except you believe Vinfast is the company, and that's awesome vehicle. As long as it's not giving any trouble, is awesome. That's what my feedback about that. So I'll put more how to do the setting, how to connect the phone, those kind of videos. I'll try to start putting that, but I have to convert that into videos and post it in the YouTube. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this team. Thank you. Bye bye.